Hi, it's Lisa. I just wanted to share that this shawl that I've been working on for over a year is coming off the needles right this minute. So this side has already come off. So here's the other end of it. There you go. And I've saved the last five stitches here, and I'm going to take them off right now. Ooh, shoot, come back. I almost lost the whole thing. All right, so 5 stitches here. This is my cast off stitch. This is mostly for Alice, but I may put it on for everybody else. 1, 2. Casting off, you continue your row as you normally would, but instead of leaving your stitches on the needle, you take the stitch that was left there and you carry it over the stitch you just made, and that locks it in place. That's stitch number 2. One more. And then I've got to lock it. So that's the last stitch there, and then I've got, this is the one that's left. I'm going to hold it here. I'm going to untether myself. Woo! And I'm going to feed that through the hole. And it's also off the needles. Yay! Actually, let's take these off because they're fun to rip out. These are my safeties because this wasn't an easy project for me. So there was safeties, strings, embroidery thread with little stitch markers. At every time I finished a purl row. And that one was actually to mark my stitch counts. So these are all full of slip knots here. I'm just going to pull free. See, there's a little slip knot there. I'm gonna pull it. Now it's gone. Here, another one. Book, gone. So I think all those slip knots have been pulled free, or as free as they're gonna get. Sometimes they not. So I'll take these guys off the other side now. I'm gonna grab the little slip knot that I've got here, and I'm gonna use it to pull my string out. There's my slip knot. Ooh! That might have gotten stitched in at some point. Oh, I lost my slip knot, but that's okay. I pull that out. I just want to get the red out and see what it looks like without the red. Actually, I'm not going to pull them out by the slip knots anymore. I'm just going to pull them out by the strings. Oh, that one sounded like it got stitched in. Ta-da. All right. Oh, it's beautiful. All right. I've just realized it's a little cold here today. I have something I can wear. Here we go. Ta-da! I gotta put a border on it, but this is where we are. finished. Thank you. Oh, you can't see.